Hello, Ricky the Wedding Singer here, and I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back and stretch your inner hip and outer hip at the same time. It's a pretty simple process. It involves with your foot walking across your body and holding your body in a straight posture. So let's get to it and begin. So you have one knee down bending like you're proposing to another person, and then this knee straight at noon at 12 o'clock, and then you slowly walk your foot like this, see, like this across, keep it going across, and then you have your knee pointing this way, keep it going as far as possible, and then you hold it right here and push this way, and then your shoulder that way. So 1, 2, 3. Same for the other side. Walk your foot this way. As far as possible. Push right here, over there, and then your shoulder this way. So 1, 2, 3. So there you go. That's how you crack your back. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.